Hi everyone, welcome to the new video. In this video I will show you how to make a double crochet. For this you need to take your crochet hook, like in the half double crochet, you yarn over and you bring a piece of working yarn straight on your crochet hook. You go to the next chain, which is here, next stitch actually, and you insert your crochet hook inside of this loop. You yarn over and you pull through and bring it back. And now you have 3 loops in your crochet hook. And for this, what you need to do, yarn over again and first pull through only in these first 2 loops. You bring them together. And now there's again 2 loops in your crochet hook. And you yarn over again and you do another round. So in this way you create a double crochet. I will show you once more. You take a yarn, working yarn piece on your crochet hook, you go to the next stitch, you insert your crochet hook into this stitch, you yarn over, pull through. And as you can see again, there are 3 loops on your crochet hook. And now you're gonna yarn over, bring 2 together, and then yarn over, and the rest of it you're gonna make a crochet. And as you can see, you created a double crochet.
Thank you for watching. If you find the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out in the comment section down below. Hope to see you all in the next video.